हमने तो ये स्टार्ट किया था टॉप इस सीरीज पता नहीं क्यों मैं गुजरात से ही स्टार्ट कर रहे थे बट इनवेरिएबली we started in Gujarat and that is how the trade is because as Pooja was saying 2013 when we started the first event we did in Gujarat in Ahmedabad उसके बाद से हमारा ये प्रथा चली है कि हम लोग जब भी स्टार्ट करते हैं गुजरात से करके इस बार हमने पहली बार सोचा लेट्स गो क्लोज टू आवर स्टेट सिटी हम लोग दिल्ली से है तो मतलब लुधियाना में स्टार्ट करते हैं बट समवेयर फिर जो था आपके बेटा पता बोलिए आपके बोलिए कि हमें हमारा वो वाला इवेंट थोड़ा पोस्टपोन हो गया कुछ मतलब बिजनेस के चक्कर में और हम शीघ्र कर रहे हैं अहमदाबाद से द प्लेस वेयर entrepreneurship is there the blood. People are born to try business, born to grow business. People are keen to work, to sell, keen to explore. हमने जब SMBConnect स्टार्ट किया था रिसर्च क्या मतलब 13 साल पहले जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था मैंने आई स्टार्टेड माय बिजनेस एट 2009 और 10 और 3 साल पहले इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलती थी कि फिर धंधा करना क्या है आगे कैसे करना है नॉलेज और इकोसिस्टम का एक जो होता है द इकोसिस्टम टू सपोर्ट बिजनेसेस दैट इज व्हाट इट केम so that's where I started to connect this so ecosystem can we create that ecosystem we were trying there are a lot of ups and downs things are positive things are good but we are not able to accept to the way we are looking at it and then over a period of time we have understood and we are again here basically create that to basically support businesses with knowledge with experts who share their experience and help businesses to excel so today is all about FTA but before we start let me just take a back 30 years back when we started one thing again we realized that business cannot go on its own it needs a lot of support it needs a lot of people to help knowledge, share. That's what the idea of SMBConnect. Over a period of 30 years, we have organized 150 events, conferences, knowledge across different parts of India, both online and offline. We have connected with more than 150,000 people during this entire journey of business. And then today, with FTA coming in, I think we are taking a step a little bit ahead. And as we say, just that an FTA is there, just that we know that government have signed it does not mean that we can go and start export because one of the key challenges is knowledge. We don't know how to do it. We are not aware of what are the challenges with the city of origin. The non-tariff barrier. I think there are things we will be discussing today. We have experts who will talk about this, which will help all of us to basically ensure that we are a little bit more equipped to take our mission to the next level. And this is the things we are basically going to discuss today. The awareness about FTA, because the documents are maybe around 100,000 pages. We cannot go through each and every thing, so we need people to help you. Go through it, help us get the gist point so that we can take it. There are certificates of origin, growth of origin. There are a lot of non-tariff barriers. So because of the FTA, but there are always a lot of non-tariff barriers. So we need to understand the businesses being what are this and how do we tackle them. And the kind of market we need to look at. What are the products we need to look at. These are the things I am sure we will try to address in today's session. We have keynotes, we have panel discussion, we will have some brand workshop where we get to know the tools for the businesses. We have some networking where we can do real conversations. Post-lunch, we have some identified some key people who can be recognized and going beyond this particular event, can we create a community? That is the key thing because the event, and that's the learning which we have got over a period of 13 years. The event should not be the end of this interaction, connection we are able to build. It has to go beyond. We choose Ahmedabad or we choose the city because this is a city where we'll get a lot of benefit textile, pharmaceutical, chemicals, hub of India's manufacturing area. And with FTA coming in, I think they are opening up a lot of opportunities for businesses of business with Surat, which has so much of effort and growth. Again, opportunities for businesses from this region. So this is the reason we got Ahmedabad place, Gujarat place to be and talk about and interact with businesses. Sorry. These are two things we are keen to start. Let's see if you are interested. We are keen to start the generalized business sector a bit close knit 50-20 people group. We can engage, interact, discuss, and see how we can help each other. No business pitches, no partners. It is based on trust. And trust me, when I am telling you because this is 𝐾𝐡𝐦𝐬, I have met people at SMBConnect events and we are able to carry on our entire structures engagement throughout. Post lunch we have one gentleman coming in who I met in the very first event at Ahmedabad. 13 years we have become very close friends. Today's event, again, Mr. Aman Patel is there. Sir, please. We met 3 years back. He's the guy with you. Oh, and he's the guy with you. Awesome. The part of the happy therapy there. Then we had an event and he was there. Where we got in there, 𝐾𝐡𝐦𝐞𝐫. But the that was not real. दोनों भी टॉपिक ले रहे थे ये थोड़े से हेल्दी थे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्दी था तो दोनों अपने बैठ so we just had having coffee when sessions were going on and then we just interacted and today he's the person who was really helped us to organize this including getting this venue at the best of the prices and a lot of other stuff. So this is how, because I have seen personally how businesses can be our interactions that go beyond one interaction. And that should be both ways. Yeah, one way, yeah. And it is a long-term thing. It is not that we are fixed. It takes time. So that's what we wanted to do. That we create the curated peer group, talk about businesses, talk about help you people to interact with experts and create partnership opportunities. So this is one area we are keen to establish. If you are interested, you can reach out to me. We will just see how we can take it forward, how we can organize it. Very small group of 15, maximum 15 people are doing that. That is one. Second is how do we ensure that the connection we are making today does not end here? Before we talk about this, let me have a begin here.
You showed up today. You connected. You listened. You share ideas. But here's the truth. Most of these connections will fade. Not because they weren't valuable, but because the tools we rely on were never built for communities like ours. Scattered WhatsApp groups, endless email threads, missed updates. And slowly, the energy of today disappears. Now imagine something different. A space where every member of your community is visible, where conversations don't get lost, where opportunities, updates, and events reach the right people at the right time. One platform built for emerging businesses and communities that actually want to grow together. This is not just another app. It's where your association lives, where your members engage, where your network becomes real. Find news, announce events, manage registrations, share updates, start conversations that matter, all in one place. Because the communities that stay connected are the ones that move forward, and the ones that don't, they slowly fall out of sync. We're starting right here, right now, a private cohort only for the people in this room the ones who want to stay connected beyond today. Join the cohort today. Start the conversations that shouldn't end here. Don't let today become just another event you attended. Make it the beginning of something bigger. Join the SMBConnect digital ecosystem. Be where your community moves.
So this is the basic piece we identified was not there as a people like because what has happened is that we do a lot of events, these were particular artworks to the way directed. We usually get messages on WhatsApp groups or this was in on Facebook stuff or the things, but it gets straight about the so anyway. So this is not a group we are creating specifically for people who are creating articles. You can scan the stuff QR code and you can be part of it. Also, a very good platform if you are office leader of any industry association. So what we have realized, industry association again don't have a platform to interact with the members. Usually again, one of our secretary, our office staff will keep on doing some email on a BCC or a WhatsApp notification. There is a sort of patents and all. We have built that small association there so that they can use to create their own small close group of network for their members so that from the secretariat, the communication can go to all the members directly. They control the group, they manage it. You can use this particular application to events, any AGM, everything, and it is available free of cost for next 2 years for any association to use it. And this is how we are going to ensure that a network of businesses can be created in this. Who can interact, engage, and with. That's the objective of SMBConnect. So let's rise together. Let's remain connected. Let's be part of this community. This is my connection. This is my email ID. You can reach out to me. Trust me, I answer every email or every message that I receive. Thank you very much. I am sure we are going to have a great day with the text of the set of. Thank you.